Three biggest news I will share in this precious clip, and these all are good news. The first good news which I will share, this is a family appointment, family reunion. Family reunion, I am sharing a much biggest news. Lot of controversies were going on, some negative thinking were there in Portugal regarding in Parliament also. A proposals are presented, and it's a very good decision. That's why I speak until Parliament don't approve, don't discuss much those things, and people almost were thinking that they were not able to call their families. That point I will explain in this clip, and second point I will explain some further details regarding nationality law. These are some facts which you will not listen in other clips. And third one is a resident card renewal. Definitely you are commenting that how we will renew our card according to new portals. And fourth one, the court cases time taking, how much court cases currently taking time. And these four informations I will share in this clip one by one, and I will start in sequence. My name is Irfan, Ashraf. Hopefully you are enjoying and getting immigration knowledge of almost all developed countries through my channel. Email is written in my description link. Now go to the topic. The first important, biggest good news. I will recall proposals which I also told, other YouTubers also told. The proposal were that family appointment, mean that family appointment must finish, family reunion must finish. They were only allowing families to come to Portugal, the people having a second resident card. On first resident card, they were telling families should not be invited. And also they were telling when baby is born, at least that parents must have 2 years stay before birth of the baby, then they are able to get their resident card or citizenship or nationality. So parents were not able to get, and family appointments technically were automatically going to stop if Parliament approves this law. But what happened originally? Please listen. These were rumors. You were listening. Once again, in simple way, I will tell you. You were listening in the social media that you are not able to call the families according to new proposals, according to new law. That was not law. Those were proposals like nationality law. And that proposals, a good thing I am sharing, that proposals are discussed in Parliament House. Yes, this is the first time I am telling you. This is a good news in the sense those Parliament members who all were social media were claiming that they are in favor of nationality law, they are in favor of these family changes, they don't want, and they are right-handers, and they don't want families should not go to Portugal. They want to finish family visa, and at least they are giving permission only to those individuals who will have second resident card. Without second resident card, they will not be entitled to get the family appointment. So this was going to scary for all families who want to join their loved ones in Portugal. So now the Parliament members discussed. This is crucial. If they did not discuss and anything decided, that's something else. I am telling Parliament member discussed in detail, and then they decided we are not going to change these new proposals, and they are telling it's not acceptable at all. So what social media was talking about, that family rules will change in Parliament, and those are very severe. They were explaining those rules in 12 minutes, and people were thinking, yes, these new rules will come. Now you can call your family. Now there is no any restriction appointment you are getting, not getting, but people are getting through a court. You can get through court You still have a chance of nationality even your baby born and you are still there in Portugal just one day before birth of your baby. That proposal is also rejected. Family reunion refusals are being rejected, mean that now you can bring families, no condition of second resident card. You got your first resident card, you can invite your family. So family reunion will continue in the Portugal. This is the only European country who is giving compensation in bringing families. This is a great news. And second news which I will share, that is more important, nationality law. Now you are listening that nationality law is postponed and gone to a special committee for up to September 2025. Discussions will be in the parliament. I am telling you some realities and you will be more happy. These proposals of the nationality law are discussed in detail among parliament members. These are the parliament members in the special committee as well. And they took feedback from all parliament members. Will you give vote in favor of this 10 years nationality law? They told no, we are not in favor. This is a drastic change. This is a spontaneous change. This is a biggest change. That will affect our country. What was noise in social media? What was minister talking before election? We will change. But those parliament members, their own parliament members, are refusing in giving vote in this 10 years nationality law. Now my predictions are becoming more stronger. Now my comments and my statement is more stronger now. It might not be possible in September 2025. It might not be possible in future for at least 1 to 1.5 years. So the point I am sharing that this law is not sent to committee without any reason. If there were chance of approval, they were not able to get the votes of parliament members, due to which they sent it to special committee, and special committee also tried to convince parliament members, will you do or not? The majority parliament members told no. Now only discussions will be there in parliament regarding this nationality law. The news are that they will keep discussing up to September 2025 and law may change in September 2025. My question is only one, why they did not give vote here now when the law was presenting in the parliament? They refused. And when they refused, it clearly mean after September 2025, similar parliament members, there is no another election going on, of right-hander party, the party who is bringing these proposals, their own parliament members, if they refuse now, will they agree in September 2025? This is a question. The third point, court cases time is little a bit late. 1 month to 2 month results are coming, the news I am getting. So court cases, definitely a lot of people are getting their results and they are being successful in getting output. And fourth one, resident card renewal. I told you that there are 2 portals announced by AIMA. I recorded one detailed session. Please listen that, otherwise I will separately record one more session. Thank you very much for listening.